If you want to transition to a remote job without needing a degree, then you clicked on the right video. Today, I will share with you 11 highest paying work from home jobs that can change your life in just a few months. These jobs have helped countless people on my channel fulfilling the remote dream. We can do the same for you. I've been earning online for the past 15 years, and all my work is from home. I now have a team of over 40 talented freelancers and recently achieved 2 million milestone. Most of my work is done on Upwork. If you too want to learn how to succeed on Upwork, I'll include a link in the description below for free training. If you're curious about how I made such earnings or want to learn more about freelancing, then share your thoughts in the comment below. Let me know what you want to learn in the freelance world, and I will share my insights in the next video. Before diving in, please smash the like button or subscribe to my channel for more tips on freelancing and remote work opportunities. Let's get started. First up, we have copywriting. If you have a knack for writing and can create compelling content, copywriting might be your ticket to a lucrative career. Copywriters make around $51,000 annually, but experienced professionals can earn so much more. Words, of course, most powerful drug used by mankind. Rudyard Kipling. I'll give copywriting an 8 out of 10 on our money score, as it requires time to master, but can be highly rewarding. Next, we have digital marketing. This field is booming and is perfect for tech-savvy and creative people. Digital marketers handle SEO, social media management, and online advertising tasks. The demand is huge, with over 160,000 jobs listed in LinkedIn. The best marketing doesn't feel like marketing. Tom Fishburne. Digital marketing gets a 10 out of 10 money score from me because it's high demand and offers great income potential. Tech sales is another excellent option, especially if you have talent for persuasion. The tech industry values sales skills highly, and entry-level positions are plentiful. This career path can quickly lead to six-figure salary. Sales are contingent upon the attitude of the salesman, not the attitude of the prospect. W. Clement Stone. This role earned a 10 out of 10 money score. Web development is perfect for those who enjoy problem solving and coding. Even beginners can make good money after a few months of dedicated learning. Web developers make around $82,000 a year, and with 31,000 jobs posted on LinkedIn, the opportunity is vast. Programs must be written for people to read, and only incidentally for machine to execute. Harold Abelson. I give web development a 9 out of 10 money score due to its lucrative nature and relatively quick learning curve. IT support roles are in high demand and can be a great entry point in the tech industry. Many of these positions don't require a degree, just a certification or relevant experience. IT support specialists make around $50,000 to $70,000 a year. Technology is best when it brings people together. Matt Mullenweg. This field gets a 9 out of 10 money score from me for its strong demand and decent starting salaries. Graphic design is a fantastic option if you are creative and enjoy visual storytelling. Specializing in YouTube, thumbnail designs, or social media graphics can make you stand out. Experienced graphic designers can earn up to $60,000 a year and more. Design is not just what it looks like and feel like. Design is how it works. Steve Jobs. This job gets 7 out of 10 money score, as it takes time to build a portfolio and gain expertise. Virtual assistants are the backbone of many businesses, handling administrative tasks scheduling, and more. This flexible role plays well with experienced VAs, making around $50,000 a year. With the right skills and experience, this job can be very rewarding. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain. I give it a 7 out of 10 money score. Online tutoring is an excellent way to leverage your knowledge in a particular subject. Depending on their expertise, tutors can earn between $20 to $50 per hour. With education shifting online, the demand for tutors is skyrocketing. The beautiful thing about learning is that nobody can take it away from you. B.B. King. This job gets around 8 out of 10 in money score for its high earning potential and flexibility. Managing social media accounts for businesses can be a highly lucrative job. If you understand various platforms well and can engage audiences effectively, then you can make around $57,000 a year. Social media is about people, not about your business. Provide for the people, and the people will provide for you. Matt Golart. This role received a 9 out of 10 money score because of the social media's growing importance in the marketing strategies. Content creation, whether it's blogging, YouTube, or podcasting, can be a highly rewarding career if you build a large audience. Successful creators can earn substantial income through ads, sponsorship, and merchandise. Content is king, but distribution is queen, and she wears the pants. Jonathan Perlman. This job gets 7 out of 10 money score, as it requires time to build an audience and monetize your content. Finally, affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products and services. This can be a highly profitable venture if you choose the right niche and products. Some affiliate marketers make over $100,000 a year. Affiliate marketing has made businesses millions and ordinary people millionaires. Bo Bennett. I give this affiliate marketing an 8 out of 10 money score for its high earning potential and scalability. And there you have it, folks. 11 highest paying work from home jobs that you can start without a degree. These opportunities can potentially change your life, just as they have for many others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone that is looking for remote work opportunities. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.